right, so hey, this JD and FIA. Just want to give you these traditional chords you can use. It was by request. We're in the key of G flat here. All right, I have like an electric piano using Keyscape for my sound. All right, so we're in G flat. Our G flat scale 1, G flat sharp 1, A flat sharp 2, B flat is our 3, C flat, we're going to call it B, is our 4, D flat sharp 5, E flat sharp 6, F is our 7, G flat is our 1. All right, so the song I had going in my head was Victory, Victory Shall Be Mine. All right, you can use pretty much any traditional gospel song because they're going to carry pretty much the same pattern. All right, so the first thing you want to do is hop on the 1. All right. So fast. Alright, so it's kind of hard to explain, but so I got F sharp or G flat hitting the G flat octaves on my left hand. G flat, D flat, E flat, and then G flat. Alright, that's the pattern for the left hand. Right hand, all I'm doing is playing the tritone for F sharp or G flat. So I'm playing A flat, I'm playing A and E flat, and then I'm taking it up to B flat and E, and then hitting the G flat, something like that. Kind of hard to do it slow. All right, so you want to get that tritone in there and get that in that G flat. All right, so that's that move. All right, so if you don't want to do that, you can just hop on the 1. So yeah, that's that. All right, so then when you get ready to go into the move, all right, you're gonna need to do 2 choices. You can go 7, 7, 3, 6. All right, for that 7. So you got. All right, to get you there to turn around. All right, so 7, playing F, 7 sharp 5 sharp 9. So we got F, C, and F on my left hand. Right hand, A, D flat, E flat, A flat. I'm calling everything in flats to keep it the same. All right, that's my 7. For my 3, I'm gonna go to the same chord but over B flat. So I got B flat, F, and B flat. Right hand, I'm playing D, G flat, A flat, D flat. To my 6. My 6, I'm playing E flat on my left hand. Right hand, B flat, D flat, G flat. All right, so you can either, that's one choice you can do. You can say 7, 3, 6 it, or you can just do it with the left hand and land on that 6. So. All right, like that. Or one more choice you can do, you can just stay on it and then do this. Because ultimately we're trying to get to that 2. So you can just keep staying on that 1 and then do that move there. All right, so let me take you through the first move, 7, 3, 6. Then you're gonna walk the left hand. So you're on that 6, that E flat. You can say E flat, F flat, E flat, F, G flat, so E flat, F, G flat, G, A flat. You're just gonna walk up. When you get to the A flat, all right, you're gonna play your A flat minor 7 or A flat 7, keeping it simple. So I'm playing A flat on my left hand, right hand I'm playing G flat, C, G flat. So we got 7, 3, 6, walk it up to that 2 chord, keep walking, B flat, B, C, and when you get to the D flat, you're gonna play a D flat major chord. All right, and then we're gonna need to take that somewhere. You have 2 choices. You can say, you can go to the D, so D flat to the D, and play D major in my right hand. So D, D, my left hand, and then A, D, F sharp. Or I can say, do that same chord, and go to the A flat on my left hand. Or, so up to that point, I'm gonna let you hear up to that point. We got. Or, alright. Now we're going to be ready to turn it around off the 6. So, alright, to get to the 4. Alright, so it's 2 ways you can do this part of the song. I'll show you both. First way, you can walk down from the 6. I'm playing E flat minor 9. E flat on my left hand, right hand, D flat, F, G flat, B flat. Alright, and then I'm gonna take down to the D on my left hand, and then just move my thumb down to C. So I'm going from the D flat to the C, and then the E flat to the D. Alright, and then I'm gonna play a D flat minor 9. Left hand, D flat, right hand, B, E flat, E, A flat. Alright. Right there is where we are. Alright, so 2 choices. I can say, walk it up, E flat, E, F to the G flat. And when I get to the G flat, take the B to the B flat on my right hand. Alright, keep walking, A flat, A, B flat. When you get to the B, you're gonna play a B major chord. B, D flat, E flat, G flat. Alright. So let's stop right there. So we got, alright, or you can get to it like this. You hit the G flat 2 times, hit the B flat 2 times, and then go to the B. So, several options to get there. Alright. Now, if you don't want to do the turnaround every time, you can go back to the 1 and walk it up. Alright, so I'm gonna let you hear that. Alright. So what I did was I stayed on that I stayed on that 5, and instead of not going to the turnaround, I stayed on that 5, and then go to the 1, play a regular 1 chord, G flat major. Alright, and then C, D flat, D when I hit the B flat. So, and then you can finish the rest of the chord with the F, G flat, B flat. right, same B chord. All right, now from here, now that we got here, we got two choices. We can either go to a C diminished 7. So we got C and C on my left hand, right hand, A, C, E flat, G flat. So I can go to a C diminished 7, or I can go to a E13, take it to an E9. So I got E, E on my left hand, right hand, D, G flat, F, D flat, and then take that D flat down to B. All right, so that's going to the C, or all right, then you get ready to go to the 5 and close it out. All right, so 5, I'm playing D flat on my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing a G flat major. D flat, G flat, B flat, second inversion. Walk from the D flat, D flat, D, E flat. When you hit the E flat, you're gonna play the same chord, the one chord, G flat on your right hand, but you're gonna take it down to the first inversion. B flat, D flat, G flat. Like that. Hit the A, hit that same A flat minor or A flat 7 chord we played. All right. Hit the C, and then we'll go to D flat. When you go to D flat, you're gonna play D flat on your left hand, right hand F, B, F. And then go to the 1. So D flat, F, G flat. All right. That one chord, G flat, B flat, D flat, G flat. Then walk it up. B flat on both hands, playing octaves, both hands. B flat, B, C, D flat. And then I'm gonna hit this D flat augmented chord. All right, left hand D flat, right hand F, A. You can either play the E or the F, whichever one you want. All right, so that's with the F, or so with the E. All right, so let me play the whole thing real slow. I'll do both choices for you. All right, I'll show you all the options. So we got, oh, I didn't show you that at the beginning. So you can walk up A flat, A, B flat, D flat, E flat, G flat. So yeah, just want to show that to you. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.